الله أكبر الله أكبر.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Another thing that would fix our problems in prayer is called sajda of error. It's exactly like percussion prayer. Because it fixes an error in your prayer, it's somehow attached to your prayer, and you're not allowed to put a gap between your prayer and those sujood. So after you finished and you did your salam, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, what you do is not to turn away your face from Qibla, no talking, no laughing, no weeping, not moving, because you're still praying. Don't ruin the figure and the form of your prayer. So you finished. What you do is go do your sujood. One, sit back. Next one, again sit. Do tashahhud and salam after that. And then your prayer is finished. And this is how you fix the error of the prayer you just did. There are some necessary situations you have to do sajda of error, and there are some other cases. Necessary cases are you talk unintentionally in your prayer. If you talk intentionally in your prayer is void. But if you talked unintentionally, like a word or something, and also the talking shouldn't ruin the figure of your prayer, you just said like ouch in the middle of your prayer, unintentionally. You have to do sajda of error. Or you forgot to do one of your sujood in your prayer, and you remembered that after doing the next rak'ah's ruku', because you can't go back and redo that missed sajda, you have to do it after your prayer. And the last necessary case is when you have doubts between 4 and 5 or 5 and 6 in 4 rak'ah prayer, while you're standing up, because in that case your duty was to sit back again and finish your prayer, and because you know there's a possibility, and obviously in 5 and 6 you did add something to your prayer, it is necessary and wajib to do sujood of error. And there is 2 situations that they are necessary by percussion to do sujood of error. The first one is not in place salam. For example, in your second rak'ah after tashahhud, after you did your tashahhud, you do salam, because this is not its place. You have to do sajda of error after your prayer by necessary percussion. And the last one is when you forgot to do tashahhud in your prayer. For example, in your second rak'ah, you forgot, you go, you do your third rak'ah, fourth rak'ah. Oh, you remember you've missed your tashahhud. You finish your prayer. After your prayer, you redo that missed tashahhud, and then you do 2 sajdas of error. These were all we had to say about doubts in prayer and what we should do, and may we inshallah be able to continue our sessions. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.